Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Slides offline step by step. Using Google Slides offline allows you to create, edit, and view presentations even when you don't have an internet connection. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Next, go to Google Drive and sign into your Google account. Before using Google Slides offline, you'll need to enable offline access. Click the Settings icon in the top right corner of Google Drive. From the menu, select Settings. In the Settings window, find the Offline section. Turn on the option that allows you to create, open, and edit your recent Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides files offline. Google may ask you to install the Google Docs offline extension if it's not already installed. Follow the prompts to complete the setup. Once offline access is enabled, open the Google Slides presentation you want to use offline. Google will automatically save a local copy for offline editing. Now, even if your internet connection is unavailable, you can still open and edit your presentation through Google Chrome. Any changes you make while offline will automatically sync to Google Drive the next time you're connected to the internet. This makes it easy to continue working on presentations from anywhere. And that's it. You've successfully enabled and used Google Slides offline. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Slides tutorials and productivity tips. See you in the next video.